Hello my lovely people. So I bought this kit from my supplier. You can go and have a look at all the other kits that they have. It is, let me see if I can find you the website. That's not it. Okay, I will link the website below if you want to have a look, because they have a variety of different rooms as well. Let me just take this plastic off and then... So I've always had a real fascination with dolls' houses, and I particularly love that Dolls House challenge that Sandy Toksvig did on, was it Channel 4 I think it was? Might be. Anyway, I just love dolls' houses, always have, but I don't really have room for an entire doll's house. So when I spotted my wholesaler doing these, I thought I'm gonna have to give it a go. So if you click on the link and have a look, there are hundreds of kits. It's quite astounding the amount of things they've got, and I thought I might do this as a remote learning class, so do let me know what you think. But I thought what I would do is I would do a beginner price, so that would include the kit being posted directly to you, and then X amount of weeks later, once I know everyone's got their kits, we would start the course and we would actually work on it together. So I'd be really interested to know what you think about doing that as an idea. So but what I want to do is have a little look first and double check if it's something that we can do remotely, whether I need to supply more materials like glue, knives, things like that. So we'll have a little look, shall we? So let's see, will it come off without me butchering it? I don't think it will. Oh, come on. It's really cute the way it's cut out. So all the no, it's just not going to do it. Not unless I've got lots and lots of patience, which I don't, because I'm too excited. So the kits I get from this company, they're called Creative Company, I think it is. I'm sorry to sound so vague. I'm having a bit of a brain fog moment and I honestly can't remember. So if I show you, this is the things that it says it comes with. It does look like it comes with glue, tweezers. It looks like you may only need a pair of scissors actually, which is quite handy. So many cute things. Right, let's open it up and have a little look, shall we? Right, okay. So they come in this really, I mean, it's an impressive quality box actually. You could certainly use that for a project in itself. So we have the DIY miniature room. Now I chose the garden, but I think there's a kitcheny sort of area, conservatory possibly. I can't remember. It might tell us. Does it tell us? No, it's just all the instructions. Okay, so let's have a little look. Oh gosh, it's got LED bulbs in it as well. So these are the tools it doesn't have. Ruler, scissors, utility knife, needle nose pliers, pencil clip, screwdriver, black pen and needle, which I could supply as an extra little kit to go with this one, so in the startup price. And gosh, this is so exciting. Sorry, I got the sniffles today. You have to excuse my sniffling in the background. But there's even a jig for bending wire. Make a little storage rack. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so let's have a little look. So we've got tweezers in here. It's a paintbrush. I'm going to leave it in the pack because I don't know if the pack number is going to be relevant in the making process. There's some little fake grass. I think this is going to be curtains. Oh, little shrubs. Some wire. Nice, okay. And beads, batteries, and possibly the LED. Oh, there's the switch bit. Haven't come across the LED bulbs yet, but that's cool. Some stamen. And These are some wooden pieces that are pre-coloured. Presumably we're going to stick together. We've got, what is that? Let's have a little look, shall we? So that's, maybe that's the pigment, but I don't know if you noticed, I've got two of them. So I don't know if they're both pigment. I guess that is something we would find out. That looks like it's, oh, that's white latex glue. That's fun. A bit like, oh god, what was it called? I want to say Copics. It's not Copics. The old-fashioned school glue with the brush. Absolutely smelt foul. Well, that was latex glue. I've got a little pot here. Looks like it might have been 3D printed, so that's quite cute. Little glass bottles, more beads. These look like they might be little jars. And possibly a stick for... what might that be for? Drain pipe, maybe? There's the drain pipe there. Could be that. Okay. And what else do we have? We have a bottle that has something in. Let me tell you what that is. Liquid glue. So it might be a bit like resin or something, but air drying rather than UV curing. Some more wooden bits. Super cute. And then these bits look like they're still on the sheet. So this looks like the porch area here and the side walls of the room. So, oh, let's take that out. Oh no, this is the drain pipe, look. Oh, and it's got a little bendy bit. So basically it's a drinking straw, but how clever is that? Excellent. Okay, and then we've got, these are not stickers, these need to be cut out. So you're going to need some very fine scissors for these. And then they need to be glued down, I think, because that looks like the floor. So you wouldn't want to use too much glue on that. And then there's some little books and things. Very cute. So the leaves are double-sided, which makes sense because you're going to see both sides of those. But of course the other bits you're not going to because they're going to be stuck down. Oh, look at these little Victorian pictures of botanical art. I mean, they are just beautiful. And I notice it also comes with a ruler on the bottom to help you measure. So it's not like you need a ruler as well, which is quite handy. These look like they might be a little container, maybe a bucket. More leaves. I guess these could be packets, couldn't they? Packets of things, seeds and stuff. Oh, okra. I have been collecting those in Dreamlight Valley. These little pictures are quite cute. I wonder where they go. We see them in the picture, I wonder. Oh look, there's some little picture frames here with some images in. And oh, I reckon they're for a book. I don't know if you can see this little book here. So you can see the cover, and then these, you just cut out the long strip and then you'll fold it, which is rather adorable. Super cute. Okay. And then some things on craft paper. And more things to cut out. Or no, actually I don't think these are to cut out. I think this is a diagram of all the parts. So when you start, you lay all the parts on here so you know which ones they're all called. So when we come to the instructions, it says here, fold based on N17. So N17 would be on one of these pattern grids. So these are for your so you can sort out all your materials, and some chipboard, and then I think this is just card down there. God, it looks so good. Doesn't it look good? Oh my god. Okay, so what I'll do is I will post the link below if you want to order your own kit. If you're interested in doing this as a remote learning course, it'll be over Zoom, or something similar, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to have the camera on or anything like that. So if you're worried about talking or worried about showing your face or your project, because I mean it's your project really that we're working on, that's absolutely fine. Although I think it is quite good for others to see how you're doing, not in a competitive kind of way. But so anyway, let me know what you think, whether you would be interested in doing a remote learning class, and I will do some pricing up of how much the initial kit would cost. So this kit plus these items here, and we can take it from there. If you want to order it and not do it as a class, that isn't a problem either. I will aim to get them listed, and I will also pop a link down for the other types of miniature rooms you can get, because they are so cute. I think one of them might be a kitchen actually. Anyway, totally adorable. So let me know what you reckon, because I think this could be a really fun thing to do with friends all over the country. So we'll see. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Bye.